Well, spring is here and it's a busy time of the year. If you homestead or do a farm like us, you've got baby chicks and plants. So come along with us today. We introduce you to the newest broilers. Our chicken nuggets are here and we're getting some tomatoes in the ground and also I think some zucchini. Here we go. Bye, Rocco.
See you, bud.
See you later. See you later, buddy. Have fun. So we're on the way back from our family trip and we had to stop by Reedy Fork Organic Farm. They produce their own chicken feed. So we got the broiler feed starter. This is all organic and soy free. So we're getting everything ready because we know any day now we're going to get a phone call from the post office that our broiler chicks are here. Also along with getting the chicken feed is also getting the chicken water ready. This is called Magic Water. Apple cider vinegar with mother, honey, and minced garlic. And we mix it all together and we put it into our Roostys waterers. We love these things. These are great, especially for baby chicks that like to make a mess. It has the legs that come off that keep them nice and clean. So we give them this magic water for about the first week. So there you go. The water is ready. The food is ready. Now we just wait on the chickens to get here.
Well, they sound good. They're so loud. Hey, chickies.
Well, now that the baby chicks have arrived, there's a couple things that we do. Number one, we dip their beaks in the water so they know where the water is and it gets them hydrated. But the second thing we do, we learned this from an old farmer. We had an issue a couple years ago with them passing away, and he said to mix up some egg and dip their beak in it. So we just give it to them on the edge of a Q-tip, and it's worked. And there they are, eating their starter feed from their Roostys feeder and the Roostys water. Well, there they are, all 53 of them, but everybody is healthy and thriving, and we are in go time because when the chicks arrive, that means the countdown to 8 weeks is on. So we're going to leave them all together, all 53 of them, and then we'll eventually separate them after about a week or so and put them in the second brooder, and we'll have roughly 25, 26 in each. So they're here. The fun begins. They're super cute when they're this little. Now let's head outside and start on the garden. We're going to be putting up this temporary fencing. This is just like construction fencing. It's just plastic. It works pretty good. A little bit cumbersome to get fixed up, but it keeps the deer out.
Like go in the middle? I guess you could. Alright, that's good.
That way.
Yes.
Oh, he's happy.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
I'll let it post and walk it out.
Okay, hold on. Wow.
Got a little room on the end for like some marigolds or something.
mitts, bring it back and take out teeth.
Okay. There you go. Well, it's a shorty. And we can go up a little higher.
Yeah. Like rested on the knob.
Yeah.
It's a little
Off-centered. So you got two on? Yeah. Well, it'll be
fine
good.
for me.
You and Emery will be fine. It's up to you. Do you want to tighten it a little bit, but I don't think it's going to go anywhere.
I just cut a gypsy moth in half. They are everywhere.
So we're getting the garden set up. It's such a warm day. It's like 80 degrees, so the nights are still a little chilly. We've got some tomato sprouts that we bought from our local high school that we're going to put in the ground. They've already been hardy enough, I think, that they'll be okay. So we've got this tomato trellis made out of cattle panel fence and some T-post. We just put that in, and really pretty simple thing. And we adjusted our cattle panel trellis over here so that that's where we're going to put the cucumbers. So we've got a few of our starters over here that we got from our high school's FFA department. Then we've got our long line of tomatoes that we are going to grow this year. Well, I think I'll call this quicker. Make a little path right here.
Well, I was thinking about doing at least this whole, like, spread them out along here. And then we can add seeds.
Well, you can see behind me, this is our massive pile of donated compost from the town of Valdez. Really good, dark, rich compost that we're putting into our garden beds. And that compost is free, and we made a video recently about that. You can check that out.
3 on that side and 3 on this side, and then I'll do seeds. And I can even put seeds in between. Thank you.
We've had people ask in the past why we have all these country flags. Our son likes to play, what's it called? Airsoft? Airsoft. Yeah. So they set up little countries. Germany, Switzerland, Australia, Netherlands, America. So we got them all. Wow. It's rooted in both
little pods.
That's interesting.
I don't know.
This one was left over from when our pigs were down here.
So then I'll put it up here so it comes up.
Yep. Just lay it on top. Because the more surface it has, yeah, there you go. The more surface, it'll grow those roots. And so you lay them almost sideways because then more.
They'll come off of here.
Yeah, the little hairs come off. More roots.
Stronger roots, too.
So there you go. Garden's getting started, and our broiler chicks are getting started as well. So busy time of the year. Appreciate you guys joining us, and we'll see you on the next video. That's right. You tell them.